Report writing contains its own place, its own significance and its own pivotal value. And when we talk about report, we talk about something which is reproduced, which is happened and seen or done. Objective of this lecture is, after this session, the students will be able to learn and understand what is a report, how pivotal is it in the professional life, and what are the qualities of a good report. Next, please. Various aspects of a report as technical writing, and they will be able to develop an effective style for writing reports. How to write various types of reports effectively. Next, please. Session 1. This lecture will be dedicated to report excavating its origin, development and types of report. Next. Conceptualizing report. Few situational examples. Here I would like to discuss with you people two young kids. Two kids of, you can say, one of 4 years, another one is 8 years. Both are brothers or sisters. And then what is happening? See, imagine a situation. One is, you can say, trying to taunt or you can say tease the younger one. Younger one is again teasing the elder one. In the course, the elder one slaps the younger. And the younger one shouts to mother that, "Mama, see, he slapped me." In that situation, this is also a report. Another example I would like to, 3 to 4 year child or even a child who is newly born. Once he or she starts crying, mother understands that the baby is hungry, baby is not okay, and that non-verbal clue or even body language, you realize the requirement. By that, the mother realizes the requirement of the baby and she tries to provide the food to the baby. The baby is reporting to mother in that way that I'm hungry. So non-verbal reports can also be there, and these two examples I think are fair enough to understand what report can be. Reports involves all the activities of the day-to-day life, and according to their significance, reports are of various types. Next, please. Then, report is a description. The meaning, let us see the dictionary meaning of the report. It's a description. It may be a story. It may be an account. It may be a version. All words for a written or spoken account of events. Then to give people information about something that you have heard, you have seen and done, you have done, etc. Even your attendance register is a report. Your attendance register. FIR is first information report. So there are various types of formal and informal reporting style. Even if somebody is telling, teacher is calling your attendance and you are telling present sir, somebody is absent, that is also a report. You are reporting that you are present in the classroom. Next please. Then let us find exact dictionary meaning of report from Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary 2005, 7th edition, page 1286. This is given there. Report is a written or spoken account of an event, especially one that is published or broadcast. That is already this is written account that is published, and it is that is supposed to be published. Next. Again another meaning. Report can be used as two words, either as noun or as verb. Here what we are supposed to learn more as noun, but when I am telling Report to your HOD. Here report is verb. Did you report to your HOD? Why didn't you report to your HOD? All are verb. And when I talk, a report is an account of anything that happened, seen, heard or visualized. So, a report of an accident as noun, an account, statement, record, exposition, delineation, and as verb, the latest finding bring word about, announce, pass on, communicate, relate, tell, recount, give an account of, set forth, document. Documentation is also a part of report. Narrate, describe, delineate, detail, divulge, disclose, circulate. This is from the concise Oxford Thesaurus and from the book A Dictionary of Synonyms, page number 677. A report is like that. This is all about, we are trying to develop a framework of report, a concept of report, what a report can be at its various dimensional approaches. Next please. While talking about definition, this definition you can write also, note down that report is an account or a statement about something that happened in the past, and the etymological meaning of report. This is something very, very essential. You should know what is etymological, root wise. You are trying to trace the root of the report, and etymologically report means to carry back, because re means back and portare means to carry. So you can divide it into two parts, portare and re. Re means back, replay, rewind, revise, review, report. So re means back and portare means to carry. Thus, the report is a description of some event or situation that has already happened. Later on, and even sometime in some situation that is going to happen, it also depends on data analysis and projects for the future happening of the situation. Like a cricket match, final cricket match of the World Cup is going to happen between West Indies and England. Clear? So, if the match is already happened, a report will come that West Indies emerged as the new World Cup winner. And this is also, all these are types of report. Even PSLV is going to launch, this version of PSLV is going to launch day after tomorrow. Reverse counting starts today. So, present, past, and based on past developments, the future happening is also projected. I would like to give you one example that we can at max see at the speed of the light. I am quoting here Dr. Kumar Krishan from ISRO. What did he say? At max we can see up to the speed of light. But you find, and you already know, that there are some planets or there are some events happening in the space, and where light can reach there, even it can take 1 year to reach there. And in that situation, every report is the analysis of the past. And then the report is a description of some event or situation that has already happened. Next please. Report means a statement or description of what has been said, seen, done, witnessed, etc. It contains facts, figure, information, analysis, opinions, and suggestions, recommendations, drafts, pictures, statistical tables specially compiled for a very specific and particular purpose. Next please. So let us have the comprehensive definition of report after going through etymological root and cultural meaning, social meaning, functional meaning, applicable meaning. Let us come to the final definition of a report, and thus we can say a report is a formal communication written for a specific purpose, conveying authentic information to a well-defined audience in a completely impartial and objective manner. So you can say it is a factual account, and then written in a conventional or usable form. It has a specific form. It describes the procedure followed in the collection and examination of data analysis, as I said, and the facts collected, derives conclusion from them and gives recommendations if necessary. This is again, this information, this definition of reports comes from a book. What is that book? Name is Communication Skills, published in 2013, 6th impression, page number 511 and 512. This book describes and defines the report. Next. A bit back. Please go back. One slide back. Here I would like you to think. Here I would suggest you to think some points, these underlined points. Will you be ready to focus on that? These underlined points. These underlined points are the main qualities of a good report. You can note it down. In some question, if it is asked that what are the qualities of a good report, so you can see first quality, it is the part of formal communication. Second quality, it is prepared for a specific purpose. The purpose must be there. No report should be unpurposed. And nobody will prepare even. It means every report is having some well-defined purpose behind it. And then conveying authentic information, factual and authentic information. Authentic information means you can verify it, you can prove it, and you can be specific. Authentic information. Then well-defined audience. Report is prepared for audience. Your attendance report is specifically for you. It relates to you. It has everything to do with you. So first year class curriculum, syllabus is a pre-planned report through which you are going through, and that is also well defined for the audience who is going to pursue their BTech courses. Got it? And then objective manner, important and objective manner. Objectivity, I said I would like to say being objective is just a word, but being objective is a very tough job, because at the same time you need to think in an independent way, in different way. You will need to cut all the personal interest and biases, and then only you can be an objective person, and it should be objectively written, not prepared in an impartial and objective manner. These are qualities of a good report. Written in a conventional or usable form, it describes the procedure, how the data is collected, how the result comes, how analyzed and you can say inferences made and concluded, the facts collected, derives conclusions from them, and gives a good report, whether even it is asked or didn't ask. But a good report will always carry recommendations. And if you are drafting a report without recommendation, that report is incomplete and it could never be an effective report. It will be, you can say, only ordinary report. And so you have to give recommendation. Next please. Let us, after having a fair understanding of what a report can be, let us talk about the types of report. And types of report can be according to the need. Even if we say like FIR is also type of report. FIR is a report, even attendance register is a report, your report card, result card is also a report, DMC is a report, UMC is a report, got it? Then newspaper is a report, collection of reports, crime report, sports report, depending on events, but according to use, a report can be external and internal. Means a report for TIT own purpose, prepared on students, that is internal report. If somebody else is preparing a report and giving you feedback, that may be an external report, according to period. Routine report and special report. Routine report, your attendance record is a routine report. But if some report, something has come from outside and a special situation arises, then there it will be special report. Like suppose that I am telling that 50 students in the college today came without having an identity card. This is not a routine report. Sometime I have observed and found that this much number of the students are not carrying their identity card. So that will be special report. For situational report, you do not go through the process of sessional exam. But routine report, again, routine can be daily, newspaper is a daily report, and then it will, even you will see periodical report, weekly report. There will be another division, periodical report. Weekly report, monthly report, fortnightly report, quarterly report, annual report, half-yearly report, biannual report, clear report, a report over a decade-long situation. Next please. According to levels of management, this is management level report. Report to top management, reports to functional management, reports to junior level management, and functional report. Next please. Fourth division is maybe corporate report. Corporate report can be of 4 types: statutory report, director's report, auditor's report, non-statutory report. And then other reports, review reports, cost audit report, interim report, oral report. Report can be oral and written also. This is another division. You have to remember it. It can be oral and revision. It can be formal and non-formal, informal. Clear? Next please. Then these are other division of the report. Non-verbal report, oral report, formal report, informal report, routine periodical report that we were talking about, annual event, laboratory report. That examination your practical notebook is also report. Sure. You do some experiment in the laboratory, you come up with some analysis, you find some result, and ultimately you prepare a report. That is also a very good report. Then laboratory report, inventory report, solicited and non-solicited report. If you are supposed to prepare a report, you are advised to prepare a report, that is a solicited report. Non-solicited report can be, you are not requested to prepare a report, but you are still sending a report. Then confidential report. There may be verbal, non-verbal, one division, oral, written, another division, informal, formal, another division, informational and interpretative report is another division, routine report, periodic report, progress report is another division, laboratory inspection report, inventory report, confidential report, and solicited and non-solicited reports. These are various types of reports. Please, next. Then we will close the lecture by having an activity to identify how report can vary. Clear? And for that purpose, I need 3 students to come here, and we will have a small activity that will also be recorded. 3 students, please come. You can break it. Break it. Dear students, we will be having an activity and we will try to understand how reports can vary from reporter to reporter. And here is an example The language will be changing from subjective to objective immediately, and the first speaker I would like to invite to introduce himself.
Myself, Praveen. My dad's name is Ramesh. My mother's name is Sunita, and I had studied in City Senior Secondary School, Bhavani Khela. Thank you.
Yes, you introduce him.
He is Praveen Kumar. His father's name is Ramesh, and his mother's name is Sunita, and he passed his 12th senior secondary examinations from City Senior Secondary School, Bhavani Khela.
Call the next. Quickly. दोनों नहीं एक आना है भाई. ठीक है तुम आना. Yes, he will tell something to you and you will have to tell the same thing to the person next.
He is Praveen, and his father's name is Ramesh. His mother's name is Sunita, and he passed his senior secondary examination from City Senior Secondary School, Bhavani Khela.
Yeah, you call him. Call next. You be here. Yes. अब repeat क्यों कर रहे हो? मैं तो खराब हो गया.
This is Praveen. His father name is Ramesh and mother name is Sunita, and he passed out from senior secondary school, City Senior Secondary School, Bhavani Khela.
Yes. You introduce, tell to the audience what you have listened from him.
His name is Praveen. His father's name is
Hello.
Ramesh, and his mother name is Sunita. He passed out from City Senior Secondary School, Bhavani Khela.
Thank you. Sit down.